Good fucking morning, ladies and gentlemen. Why am I dressed like this? Well, I gotta go to work very soon. But, day 2. I am feeling ready to go. Had a run in the morning, cold shower. You know, I'm ready to pass the funded today. No, that can't happen. We can't pass it on one trade. You never know. So I'm gonna trade gold today. Now, it's not very volatile. This is what I was thinking. Like, for me to want to do shorts and if I want to go long, it just doesn't take out the higher highs, and there's not many higher highs through the whole thing. Everything's just up right now. So for it to, go down and up, it's gonna be weird. But with that being said, we don't care. We adapt. I don't care. I'll figure it out. But anyways, yeah, day 2. I'm gonna go. I'll probably have this set up at the office. I'm gonna, after I turn this off now, I'm gonna set up my trade for today. So I'll kind of go over with what I'm gonna do pretty soon. Let me just show you guys. Actually, no, I'm not going to show you now. I'll show you when time comes. Everything depends on the bias. Everything's going to depend on my bias. Now, in the weekly, we're down. But in the daily, we're going up. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But I guess the weekly doesn't matter. It does, but it doesn't. We're going up. We had that retracement I spoke about, and we're going up. But anyways, it's enough. This is a good intro, and like I said, we're just gonna take it day by day, see what happens, just see how it goes. Hopefully I can make a trade today and hit our take profit like we're hoping to do. I only have to make $200 today, so if I can hop in the market, make that 200, get out, not worry about the rest of the day, perfect. That's the goal. The goal is to get in, make that 200, pass step 1, and get the fuck out. So, yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna make it today. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pass step 1. Tomorrow we're gonna pass step 2. Simple as that. Then what's next? We get a funded account. We qualify. We qualify. So then, commissions, this and that. And I know I'm thinking too ahead of myself here, obviously, but fuck it. I'm gonna be history in how quick to make this money. Fuck it. So, yeah. I'll catch you in the charts pretty soon. All right. So, I took a trade. I did. Now, was it smart? I don't know. I went with my bias. It was a bullish day. There was a retracement happening, and I took it. Now, I just closed my position because New York session is closing, and I don't know. Honestly, I'm learning. Maybe it's not the best idea to learn with a funded, but it's okay. We took a little bit of profit. We took $3 profit, but who cares right now? I'm just learning. I took a trade. I think it would have went to my take profit, which maybe it's not a good idea to close it like I did, but anyways, whatever. I'm going to show you. This is a trade recap anyway. Command Shift 5. Record entire screen. Right now. It's recording right now. Okay, so I'll show you guys here. Now, it's not exactly what it looks like on my MetaTrader. Let me get it up for you on my MetaTrader. So as you can see, we're up $3. Where's that 3 cents? We're up $3.05. Now the reason I'm only up $3.05 is because I fucked up on my my buy. I didn't understand pips very well. That's on me. I use a calculator to do it, which you can see right here. Right here, I use this calculator to understand. Now, my stop loss was not that, so I really frigged up because I didn't change this number right here. Anyways, now I know this is not MetaTrader, it's TradingView, but I kind of synced up the same thing of the same trade. So I bought in, I think, where did I buy in? I bought in at this candlestick right here. It was not the right place for me to buy in. I thought confirmation was on this one here. Or no, sorry, actually, I did not. I bought in right here. That's where I bought in. I bought in here. My take profit was right here. Yeah, not the smartest. Let me play this out for you. So, the day started, it opened here. No, sorry. It's 5 a.m. I need 8 a.m. This was market open. This candle right here that went up was market open. So I saw a big push for the New York session going up. Then news came out right after. See this time? 8:30, 9 o'clock, 10, whatever. That was news today. News came out 9:30. There was a lot of crap. So I waited. Big push down from news. But that push down caused a little up. Now we're in our equilibrium because you can see we have our high here and the low here in the most recent fuckery. So our equilibrium originally, let me get rid of this one because that was the most recent one. This was our equilibrium right here, our low and our high. Yeah, that makes sense. So price came in. It looks like order block here. Price came up, hit a. This is another order block. Order block up caused the rally. Order block down here. This is the same order block. So I was waiting for price to come down, hit our equilibrium, fill the order block, which exactly happened. So I went in on this candle, which was stupid because it was not a candle close. I had no confirmation. I should have probably went in around here. Now, price came up, and you see what it did? See, what's this here? It's a fair value gap. It's a 15-minute fair value gap. An imbalance right here. Price also came in. And who knows? It might rally. It probably will. And I can't believe I closed the trade. But you live and learn, I guess. Now, stupid by me. I don't know. I honestly have no idea. But we're up $3. We didn't lose money today. I would have lost a lot of money today if my stop loss was hit. Guess where my stop loss was? I'm pretty sure it was right here. So we glazed my stop loss. And we picked back up. But again, we went through this order block. I guess we didn't really fill it. We fully filled it and touched the second order block. We hit this one. Look, it just barely scratched it. Nip of the head. And went up. I don't know if this is the right trade. I don't know what. But the reason I took the trade is because I waited for equilibrium to hit, which it did. It filled here. Went down into an order block. And I took my confirmation up here, which is kind of stupid. But now I know that I need to wait for extra confirmation for a candle to close. So really, I should have taken it right here. That candle closed. We had strong punch, and we're gone. But we only targeted this high. I'm thinking that's still going to go back up. But I got to stop. I got to get away from it now from today's charts. And I just got to move on forward from that. So, with that being said, that was my first trade. Not my first trade, but my first trade with, money in play that could potentially make me money in the future. And I think we did good. No, we didn't do good, but we did better than what I thought would have happened. Actually, no, I thought I was going to kill it. Anyways, I'm going too much out of it here. But that's my trade recap on why I took this trade. I noticed a strong confirmation. I noticed a break of structure here. I didn't wait for it to close, though. My fault. Closed down here, and I took it right at the time it was up there. So, not a big deal. We go back at it tomorrow. Now, we're not down money. We still got the account. Thank God. I understand pips now, and I didn't do it properly. My pips were wrong. Everything was wrong. So, that's pips right here. I thought this was pips. Yeah. So, I don't know. Anyways, that's today's video. No, it's not. We're not done. We gotta have a chat. I need to see if this is still going. Yeah, we're still going. So that's today. Yeah. You can see here that I guess you can kind of see where my head was at, because my daily bias, let me just really break it down. My daily bias was bullish. Yeah, bullish. See this? We opened here. Now we're about to close here, basically. Price went all the way up here. Today, just didn't want to, I don't know. I missed it, actually. I probably missed that trade. Again, I don't know. But we are on a downtrend. We're on a downtrend, but I thought the reason I took this even more is because we hit an order block. Now, what we can see here is a liquidity sweep. Confirmation of break structure would have been here, and I guess you could have took that trade. Now, we are going down. My bias is more, it's still going up, is what I think, that we're going to find our way back up here. But tomorrow we'll have more confidence. Look, price just shot back up, didn't it? Don't friggin' tell me that it's going up again. It is too. We can't even stress, okay? So that was our trade today. We made $3. I know it's not a lot, but we didn't lose money today. We didn't lose money, and now I've learned way more off of that trade than I would have done before. So really, right now, I could take another one and go, but I can't. I know that's going to hit here. I know that could probably go above these highs. So we're going to check in tomorrow, because we're at day 3, and we're really going to see. We're going to see what happens. We're really going to understand that we can't close trades off of emotion, I guess, too. I don't know. But this is a good learning curve for me, I think. Yeah. So that's the reason I took my trade today. Now, you're probably wondering these lines. These are market opens. This is Asian session, 7 p.m. till 4, I think, or 3? 4 a.m. So there's a high here. That's another reason why I took this trade, because I thought we were going to break Asian session high. London session opened right here at 4 a.m. You know, we took out the Asian high and we spiked down big time. Well, this is news, because market opened here and news happened. So my original thought was this was going to come down, hit here, and go, which it did, which happened what I thought was going to happen, which is perfect. So I'm not worried about my bias. My bias was right. It's just for timing for me on where I need to enter my trade and understand that. So that's all for today. That's day 2. We took a trade today. We actually took a trade. Fuck. I didn't think I was going to today, because it was right after when I got this account. But we're going to make progress. We're going to look, it's going up. But we can't worry about that. Fuck, it's going up. See, now I get out of it. Get out of all that shit. And that's it. But that was our day today. I'll see you tomorrow, because we're not done, obviously. We got a lot to do. I'm up only $3, so I got to be up 400. I think, yeah. So, actually, let me just show you just in case, if you don't believe me, I guess. I don't know, just in case people don't believe me. But, where's my dashboard? Account metrics. Oh, yeah, sign in. Oh. Hope you guys didn't see anything there. So, we got $3.96 remaining. Today, we made $3. Look at that. Look at that. It's okay. We're good. We're up. We're going to keep going. See the lots that I went in at? Not the right amount of lots, I don't think. I'm still going to learn about that, but I don't even know what I risked. But anyways, that's all for today. I'm going to post this now, and I'll be back tomorrow with another trade and probably another recap, and it's going to be a win. Again, we're going for a big win rate. So I know it's only $3 and it's not exciting, but we are starting to learn way more. Anyways, that's all. I'll see you tomorrow.